Hello, hello, good people. My name is Professor Fanon Che Wilkins, and I will be your teacher and guide this semester for African American history from 1865 to the most recent past. History 61B, Ethnic Studies 61. All right, so it's an honor to be here. I can't wait to get started. But before we get started, good people, we need to establish some ground rules. Those ground rules, of course, are rooted in what we call our learning pack. And in our learning pack, we have 5 things that we are actually expecting of each other. There's 5 things that you should expect from me, and there's 5 things that I should expect from you. So let's kind of get into what those 5 things look like. The first, of course, is number 1, I will ensure that our class will be a safe and equitable space for you to work and to learn. Number 2, I will be present, attentive, and open to any questions, feedback, or concerns about the course. Number 3, I will actively participate in all facets of your learning and be responsive to your needs about the course within 24 hours during the week and 48 to roughly 72 hours on the weekends. Number 4, I will provide constructive feedback on your work to support your growth as a student learner. And number 5, I will keep you informed of critical due dates for quizzes, exams, and written assignments. Now, I expect 5 things from you. Those are: 1, I expect you to take the time to read the syllabus and digest its contents thoroughly. 2, I expect you to participate in class activities and complete the modules every week. 3, I expect if you are unable to complete assignments on time, that you will contact me so that we can discuss possible solutions to your challenges. 4, I expect you to work collaboratively with your peers and me to foster a respectful learning environment that honors curiosity, critical reflection, and academic excellence. And 5, I expect you to remain and be open-minded and embrace the opportunity to consider new ideas that may challenge your own. So there you have it, good folks. All we have to do is establish a relationship and build community through these principles of exchange, and we can have a wonderful semester. Looking forward to having all of you all this semester. See you soon.